Hi, friends, welcome to our technology channel. Today I will tell you 11 free courses on Udemy with certification. In today's video, the courses are for a software developer, digital marketing, corporate sector, college students, photo editor, salesman, social media marketing, photography and many more. All the course you see in this video is free for 26th and 27th April 2020. I request you to watch today's video till end because there's some best free course that will be beneficial to you all. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as we publish our videos. So let's get started. The first course is Python Programming for Beginners in Data Science. The course is for non-programmers and interested to learn Python as their first language, and also for them who are interested in learning for data science and machine learning. The course instructor is a J-Tech. Rating for the course is 4.3, and the 67,700 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 13 hours 54 minutes. Enroll now, 2 days left. The second course is TikTok Masterclass. Complete Guide of TikTok. This course is especially for TikTok creators. This course consists of various methods of marketing videos on TikTok and some fantastic tools that every TikToker should have. The course instructor is Start Indie Media. Rating for the course is 4.1, and the 8,000 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 6 hours 4 minutes. Enroll now, 2 days left. The third course is Leading Effective Meetings. You can lead effective meetings. This course is especially for the corporate sector. This course beneficial for managers, presenter, consultants and for one who want to expert in leading meetings. The course instructor is TJ Walker. Rating for the course is 4.3, and the 12,700 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 25 hours 10 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The fourth course is the Complete Resume and CV Writing course. Get the ideal job. This course is especially for recent college graduates and employees seeking new positions. The course instructor is TJ Walker and Catherine Troutman. No rating because the course is new, and the 4,200 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 11 hours 1 minute. Enroll now, 1 day left. The fifth course is to learn photo editing with Photoshop 2020. This course is for beginner to advanced wanting to learn photo editing with Photoshop 2020. The course starts from scratch to advance, so anyone can enroll to this course. The course instructor is LearnTech Plus. Rating for the course is 4, and the 31,200 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 25 hours 10 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The sixth course is Sales 2.0, How to Sell the Current Customer Easily. This course is especially for who are in the sales field and wants to open their business. Because this course contains all the strategy and tricks that are helpful while selling the product and services. The course instructor is Brian Guerra. Rating for the course is 4.4, and the 6,800 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 2 hours 7 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The seventh course is Best of Facebook Ads. Facebook Ads 2020 Ultimate Pro Edition. The course is for anyone who is interested to grow up their skills in social media. The course helps you to know the proper planning while campaigning on Facebook. The course instructor is Tomas Moravec, SEO Facebook Ads and Digital Marketing Strategy, Soren Kryson. Rating for the course is 4.2, and the 15,100 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 18 hours 56 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The 8th course is After Effects CC Expression Animated Infographic Design. This course is especially for After Effects users who want to improve their skills and interested in the animated infographic. The course instructor is Laue Zambaraki. Rating for the course is 4.4, and the 9,500 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 2 hours 17 minutes. Enroll now. 2 days left. The 9th course is Practical Photography for Absolute Beginners. 9 course in 1. The course is for them who wants to make a career in photography. From scratch to advanced, all the concepts are added in the course. The course instructor is Creative Online School. Rating for the course is 4, and the 41,400 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 2 hours 2 minutes. Enroll now. 1 day left. The 10th course is Media Training Public Speaking Training for Candidates. This course can be enrolled by the candidate in public office and press securities, and also for them who are in media training school. The course instructor is TJ Walker. Rating for the course is 4.7, and the 2,600 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 13 hours 42 minutes. Enroll now. 1 day left. The 11th course is the Red Team Blueprint, a unique guide to ethical hacking. This course is especially for who is curious to learn and wants to make a career in ethical hacking and also help to become a professional hacker. The course instructor is Brandon Dennis. Rating for the course is 4.3, and the 2,600 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 30 hours 21 minutes. Enroll now. 1 day left. That's it for guys today. If you liked the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.